हालींच वेंचून येयल्लो बाणावलेचो आम आदमी पक्षाचो आमदार वेन्झी व्हिएगशान वेस्टर्न बायपासाचे विशयाक हात घातला. वेस्टर्न बायपासाचें काम परत सुरू जालां. देखून हे सुवातेर हो बायपास उड्डाण पुला वरवीं बांदचो हे लोकांचे मागणेक वेन्झीन तेंको दिला.
वेंचून येतकच वेन्झीन बाणावले वेस्टर्न बायपास प्रकल्पाची पळोवणी केली आनी लोकांचें म्हणणें आयकून घेतलें. हो विशय सुटावो करपा खातीर लोकांनी एकठांय येवन आमदारांक तेंको दिवपाक जाय. हांव कांय दिसांनी मुख्यमंत्र्याक वचून मेळटलों आनी लोकांचें म्हणणें तांच्या मुखार मांडटलों. काम हरीत लवादान दिल्ले ऑर्डरी प्रमाण जातलें हाचीय जतनाय घेतलो. बोवाळ घातलो म्हण जायना, काम कायदेशीर मार्गानच जावंक जाय अशें वेन्झी म्हणटा.
Government has to understand that development is all about saving lives. जोरी तरी तुमच्या लोकांचे जीव साल्वा करपाक तुमकां जोरी तरी मुखार सरपा जायना जाल्यार आय थिंक इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेस्ट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी अ वेस्ट फॉर रिप्रेझेंटिंग पीपल. आज हांव निवडून आयले लोकां पासून जोरी तरी फाल्यां जोरी तरी 23 जर 100 years फ्लड जालो जाल्यार जोरी तो हांवूय बुडटलो हिंगा वयता आसतना सगळे बुडटले कसलो फायदो जालो 300 कोटी साल्वा करून. सो दिस इज द होल आयडिया.
आज ऑफिशियल कोण आयिल्ले आनी कितें सांगलां तेंच्यांनी ऑफिशियल?
I have spoken to the E, that is Mr. Datta Prasad Naik. Datta Prasad Kamath, sorry. Datta Prasad Kamath. He is the E for the national highways. So he has shared with me all the documents. See, legally they have to continue their work. The only way is we have to go legally. पासून बोवाड करपा जाता आनी बोवाड करून ते इट विल गिव यू लिमिटेड टाइम. फाल्यां रातीको कोण येतो कामकाज चालू करता तेंगे काम चालू आसता. So we have to find a legal way. He has sent his contractors here. I don't know their name, पण ते contractor येलो आहे. So ते येलो आहे तेमचे डॉक्युमेंट बी दाखवले. Based on this, we have spoken to the lawyer. लॉयराकडे उलयले आणि now we will try to take this ahead. Okay. So that
पण आता काम स्टॉप जातले तेंगेले स्टॉप करता म्हटला की कितें सांगले?
see काम तोंडान सांगून काम बंद जायना कळना तुका because it is a court order or not a order, a statement which is come that they have to continue the work as per the NGT guidelines. NGT जे सांगलो ते भाशेन तेंगे ते कमिटीन सांगलो ते भाशेन करपा जाय म्हणून. Now only we could do is we go to the court immediately again and tell them that whatever you have said is done, but what about something called as 100 years flood that we have to look into, and we have to make sure that if you are saying that 4 boxes or 3 boxes are going to stop for 100 years, it's not going to happen. Not going to happen. You are सगळे थोड्या बांदू बुडयता तूं आनी त्या ती घरां ती बुडयतलो सगळे बुडोवन उडयतलो. सो आय थिंक एक मनशाचे डिसिजनाक लागून वी कॅनॉट रिस्क द लाइव्स ऑफ द जनरेशन्स टू कम. प्रोबेबली 10 वर्सां जाय ते 15 वर्सां. सो पीपल हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड. आय विल डू माय बेस्ट once this resolution is taken by the panchayat, if they can speed it up today, and which they will do, then Kelamutri, we will try to see if we can arrange a meeting on fast track basis with the chief minister to make him understand this, and I'm sure he will understand because finally he is here also to save lives. And 100 years flood जाल्यार सगळ्याकू जाता ते आनी सगळ्याकू भरपूर डॅमेज जाता. So if we plan for it, we can still, I think, try to do it today in order to go tomorrow. So I am new in the assembly. I've just taken my swearing yesterday. With whatever limited resources I have to reach to the CM, I will do my best so that we can go there tomorrow. He also has his plan for tomorrow. Then already plan केला तो वेन्झी येतलो म्हणून slot आसपाना थिंगा. So I will do my best and request him to give us 5 minutes to understand and how we can go in the best way.
Regarding this issue?
Regarding this issue, yeah. Because see, we do not want the work to continue till we go back to the court and get things organized. Legally it has to be right because High Court is monitoring the job. Okay. So from our side, we are fully giving the full support. And I think people are already here. People know this matter for a very long time. So, but this is a clear message I would like to give all of us. It is not only for Benaulim, it is for all over Goa. आज गोंयक डिस्ट्रक्शन जाता. मागीर म्हणना काय बरे MLA भितर येवन झगड नाही म्हणून झगडपाचेर जायना सगळ्या लोकांनी इंटरेस्ट घेवपा जाय. देर आर lot of things where people have to participate today. आणि yes, good governance, good MLAs are required to motivate people. So तेंकाय पावर मेळटलो वय हा जाल्यार आमी येतली. So this we will do from our side. आमकां सिवेजीचे प्रॉब्लम आहा सिवेज लायनीचो तेजें सोल्युशन मांडया. वी गॉट सम प्लॅन सांतानान कितें सजेशन दिलो आहाय. सो वी विल पुट दोज सजेशन. तुमकोडे सजेशन घेया ती सजेशन घाल्या आनी लोकां जाय ते भाशेन वी विल कम अप विथ समथींग.
गोवा 365 खातीर बाणावलेच्यान रमेश नायक रावत.